Lamphang Ïing Dorbar Thawan Gajala Meghalaya ba med balungdo haksingi balai ga Dorbar Sunrai maham deng ban pynshitom MLA ga NCP na kambe kre saleng sangma namar kaching padangkam da kiktin khlem akor Ïing Dorbar khadar trek nailur ajar puar Lamphang la hukum mun wengno ikintin khlem akor saleng kibola padangkam kaching tai lengkot na kaching bu jingtho Ïing Dorbar ha shoban padnai garai ba med bawlong bakani kamde ga sid menkong bawni udkhot la padangkam kitin khlem akor ba kuntu ya borok kidkhot ka Ïing banlong gi bobor company Dorbar.
I would like to inform you that yesterday I had given a ruling of expansion on the Rule 304 of certain words used by Sri Saleng A. Sangma, MLA. I would like to remind the honourable member that this House has a rich tradition of conducting its business in a decent and dignified manner. Therefore, it is our responsibility to uphold this tradition and be cautious in the use of any unparliamentary words and language used inside the House while participating in any debate or discussion. This is not the only time that the honourable member had used such unparliamentary language. And I had to give a ruling for expulsion from the House, even on earlier occasion. I am taking a very strong exception of the action of the honourable member, and strong action will be taken by the House to the honourable member any further repetition of such action in future. This is my ruling.